Good day, class. Welcome to International Brain Excel School. In the last class, I explained 8 hand temperature. 8 hand temperature, in which I said that heat is a form of energy that is transferred from outer body to what? Colder body due to temperature difference between the two bodies. Alright? And I also explained the heat as the average kinetic energy possessed by particles making up a particular substance. In today's class, I'll be answering the question, what is temperature? What is temperature? So, that'll be our question for this class. What is temperature? Temperature is simply the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. Alright? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. Okay. Alright. So both heat and temperature will always coexist. But it is important for me to say that heat is not a measure of temperature, because some object might appear to be cold in the inside and they are actually hot outside, while some can be hot outside but cold inside. But temperature itself is just a degree of how hot or how cold a substance or a body is. Temperature is measured with an instrument called thermometer. Alright? Temperature is measured with an instrument called thermometer. In the next class, I'll be explaining thermometer in details. Alright, so temperature is a measure of how hot or how cold. How hot or how cold a body might be. Alright? And wherever you see heat, there is temperature. Wherever you see temperature, there is heat. In fact, the kinetic energy possessed by the particles making up a particular substance is directly proportional to the temperature of the body. Alright? Kinetic energy possessed by particle making up a substance is directly proportional to the what? Temperature of the body or the substance. Is that clear now? Good. So that is temperature. So next question is, what is the effect of heat? What is the effect of heat on the body? What is the effect of heat on the body? If you apply heat to a particular substance or to a particular body, what will happen? Alright, number one is, if you apply heat to a particular body, the first thing you should expect is there will be a corresponding change in temperature. That's the first thing. So when you apply heat to a particular substance, the first thing that will happen is that the temperature will change. Number two, alright, okay, let me explain this further. Alright, when you apply heat to a particular body, the temperature will change. Alright, the process of applying heat to a particular body is what we refer to as hotness. You are trying to make the body to be hot. Alright, you can also remove heat from a particular body. For example, now if you place your water inside your refrigerator, what you are doing is that the refrigerator is going to remove heat from the substance you place inside it. Alright, that one is removal of heat. So either you are adding heat or you are removing heat from a particular substance. One thing is obvious, there will be what? Temperature change. There will be what? Temperature change. Number two effect of it is there can be change of state. Change of state. Change of state. But remember that we have three basic states of matter, which are solid, liquid, and gas. So a particular solid substance can change to liquid, a liquid substance can change to solid, a liquid substance can change to gas, a gaseous substance can change to liquid, and a solid substance can directly change to gas without passing through the liquid phase. So which implies that we have 5 change of state. So we have change of solid to liquid. And the process in which solid changes to liquid, the process in which a solid substance changes to liquid, is what we refer to as melting. Melting. Alright? Liquid can also change. Liquid can change back to solid. Liquid can change to solid. That's what we refer to as well. Alright? That's freezing. It's freezing. Alright? So if you put your water inside your fridge, your refrigerator, alright, it turns to ice. So liquid changes to ice. Alright, water changes to ice. That's freezing. But your ice, if you remove your ice from your freezer, from your refrigerator, alright, it what? It changes back to what? Water. That is what? Melting. Number 3, you can have change from liquid. You can change to gas. You can change to gas. Liquid can change to gas. And that's what we refer to as what? That we refer to as vaporization. Or we can call it evaporation. There's a difference between vaporization and evaporation. Alright? So, gas can also change to what? To liquid. Gas can also change to liquid. Alright? That's what we refer to as condensation. And we see that the process in which water vapor changes to water is what we refer to as what? Condensation. Alright? And the last one is solid can change directly into gas without passing through the liquid phase. The process in which solid changes directly to gas without passing through the liquid phase is what we refer to as what? Sublimation. 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 And this is what happened with our camphor. If you check our solid air freshener, alright, it changes directly into what? Into gaseous state without passing through the what? The liquid phase. That's what we refer to as what? Sublimation. Alright? So I said the effect of it on a particular substance. Number 1 is what? Change in temperature. Number 2 is what? Change of what? State. And we have 5 examples of change of state. We have melting, freezing, vaporization or evaporation, condensation, and what? Sublimation. Good. Alright? Another effect of it on the body. If you apply it to the body, what else can happen? Number 3 is that there can be expansion. expansion. Expansion just means what? Change in size. That's what it means. Change in what? Change in size. Change in size. See that? Change in size. Right? If you apply it to a particular substance, there can be what? Expansion. Alright, number 4. Number 4, alright, they can also be change in density. Change in density. Number 5, it can be change in color. Change in color. When you apply it to a particular substance, alright, it can also be change in what? Color. In fact, number 6, they can also be change in chemical properties. Change in chemical properties. They can also be changed in chemical properties, and so on and so forth. So it has great effect on the substances that you apply it to. Alright? Good. Alright, that will be all for this class. I believe you really enjoyed today's class. See you next time and stay safe. Thank you.